Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I normally don't do this, but I do this in real life. So I have a really hard time sleeping, especially when I'm a little stressed. So I decided to start unpacking, and even though the bookcases currently, they're about a good 2 feet, maybe even 3 away from the wall, what I wanted to do is go ahead and open up the boxes, put everything inside, and get rid of some of the boxes. I think because the world is really chaotic right now, I'm feeling like I'm not 100% happy with some of the things that's going on with my personal platform. And then my house is upside down. I just really want to get to the point where something is done. And it's my fault 100% because I've got projects going on everywhere. So now I just want to commit myself to getting something organized and getting something done. So pretty much I'm in my office today, or the room that's supposed to be my office. I'm in here and I'm going to try to get some stuff done. I'm actually really excited for this space. I'm deciding to go a little bit more moody in tones. So in terms of decor, things are going to stay the same. But with the pink color, I definitely want to moody up the back wall, lighten up the 3 remainder walls. So I'm going to have like an accent wall, and then I'm going to bring the furniture and everything back in. I think I shared this with you guys before, and I will share it with you again. When it comes to design for me, I do not like to change out like major furniture or key elements in the room. For me, something that can change fairly quickly is the wall color, reshopping some home decor, even sometimes switching up the rug. But most of the things that you guys saw in the previous office, I'm pretty much going to be keeping them. I did think about replacing this bookcase, but everything that I was finding was just entirely too expensive. This bookcase itself was already expensive. I think altogether was about like $1,600 that I spent. So I don't want to spend any more money in this space. Just want to put it together so that way I can work. But anyway, no product is actually on the towel. I just dampened it and it's not even fully wet. My objective number 1 is to tire myself out. And number 2, get some of these boxes gone and cleared out the house. And then number 3, trying to get some level of normalcy within the house itself. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. You guys, I knew it. Look at this. I told myself that I had gotten this book already, but I was like, it's okay because I can have a copy in my office, and then, you know, if someone comes to my house and they really like it, I won't feel too bad about giving it up. But I knew that I had purchased this book before, so now I have 2 copies. This is a really good read. If you can, just in case you guys were looking for something, this is an absolute amazing read. And I also shared some books before, but this is really good. Now that I've wiped everything down, I'm gonna start going into the box and taking things out. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna keep all the decor. I do know that I settled on a few pieces here and there. So I think when I start unpacking everything, I'm gonna figure out exactly what I want to keep and what I'm probably gonna end up giving away. But that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing, is kind of going through the boxes. I do know that I'm gonna keep, if not all the books, because even if I don't use it in my office, there's definitely other places to use the books. So I woke up the next morning and I wanted to give you guys a really quick glimpse of what the room looks like with all of the sunlight in. And I've actually started to swatch some colors on the wall. If you follow me on Instagram and you went to the YouTube community, then you've seen the wall. But I'm going to be saving this part of the video for the next upload, but definitely come back so you could tune in, because I'm really excited to share the colors that I selected for my office. It's really nice. But later on, what I ended up doing throughout the day is doing laundry. So the house is going to go ahead and start getting painted. I did hire a professional company to come in to paint. I know how to paint, you guys, but there was so much that needed to be done. It was just easier to kind of allow a company to do part of the job, and then I can focus on the smaller end of the job, which I'm really happy that I did that, because the laundry room is done, my bedroom is done, my closet is done, and I will be focusing on getting the boys' room done. I'll do those rooms on my own. But right now in the master bedroom, I'm taking off all the bedding. I washed everything. I'm changing everything out, and then I'm going to be moving everything to the center of the room. That way they have room to kind of move around the whole space to do that. And I'm also doing laundry. Basically, I'm doing what I've been doing from day one, which is trying to get the house as clean as possible. I still don't have room to put things in the house. Is a mess, which you will see later on, but things are definitely getting done. So pretty much I'm coming to the end of the laundry. I have been doing laundry weekly, which has really been helping out. I'm not consistent with it, but I'm definitely trying to keep up with a really great schedule. As much as I hate folding and the whole laundry system, everything, I really do enjoy folding the towels. They just come out really good, and I love seeing the linen closet. So right now I am folding the towels, you guys, and again, it's something relaxing about it. I don't know, I can definitely pass on undergarments and clothing in general, but the towels. I really enjoy folding those. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and focus on getting all the towels folded. And then once I'm done, I'm going to place them all in the linen closet. I wanted you guys to take a really quick look because this is what I mean. There's ladders and paper and tape all over the place because I have started doing some painting, not a whole lot, but definitely some, especially if you caught the previous video, which I will be linking at the end of this or placing a card here, that way you can catch it. Because my closet, you guys, I'm going to start painting that and getting it together, because right now the only thing that I have to house clothing, my clothing and even the kids, is this one unit here, which is my island. But like I said, things are definitely getting done, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a mess. Here is a quick little view, you guys. I am so excited. But anyway, hope you had a really great day today. I'll see you next time.